There is a mystery, elusive, unpredictable. It terrifies even the casino general manager.
Oh no! It's coming!
The blizzard's coming! You guys gotta get out of there! Get in, move!
Everybody get into the lounge where it's safe! Here, Jerry, go! Oh, you guys go ahead. I'll be there in a minute. It is coming! But it's a blizzard of filth! It's a blizzard of filth! Suckers!
We're back!
Hey everybody, it's Leif and Alicia from Black Oak Casino Resort.
Join us for the Blizzard of Bills on Friday and Saturday nights. It's your chance to grab at $5,000 in the cash cube.
And then at 9 p.m. on Saturdays, $10,000 guaranteed, and then you go into the cash cube. And whatever money is not won during those 9 p.m. drawings, we're gonna roll over till April 30th at 10 p.m. where we're guaranteeing $25,000. So join us here for Blizzard of Bills at Black Oak Casino Resort. It's cold in here.